Before Schools of the Future, I used to think school was boring, but now I'm excited to go to class and I'm engaged in the hands-on activities.
Before Schools of the Future, I found it difficult to stay focused in class, but now that I'm involved in the other students' thoughts and perspectives on the matter, I find it more easier and enjoyable to do.
Before Schools of the Future, learning was a challenge. With the technology given to students today, we are given the opportunity to work efficiently. This helps young women like me to be prepared for and succeed in the real world.
Before Schools of the Future, I used to think that students learn best in a traditional type setting where the teacher acted as the sole dispenser of knowledge and information. Now I know that students learn best from a variety of instructional methods, which include some lecture, the use of technology, direct application and practice of the skill, and interaction with their peers.
Before Schools of the Future, I used to think having computers in the classroom could be helpful, but now I know that they are. The field of science is constantly being updated with current scientific information and new discoveries. My students having computers enables them to reach out and grab that scientific information, which enhances my lessons and enriches the learning process.
Before Schools of the Future, I used to think that homework should consist of students going home each night, practicing exactly what we've learned in class. But now, thanks to the flipped classroom model, I know that my students are benefiting from using that in-class time to complete what used to be homework. They're collaborating with peers, I'm available for help, and we have the opportunity to do some fun projects that we used to not have time for.
Before Schools of the Future, I thought that I taught biology. Now I know that I teach children. The Schools of the Future initiative has taught me that the skills that are needed for success in college and beyond are what I really need to be focusing on in the classroom, rather than memorization of content. How I've transformed my classroom is through doing more collaborative work, scientific inquiry, and other activities that allow the students to work on those skills so that they can practice and be ready so that when they go to college and when they get their career, they can do things like think creatively and analyze, and they will be much more successful for their future.